I have tell you more earn money, extra work and extra income, how to make money or typing jobs. Earn 5,000 daily only, no investment. Earn 7,000 to 800 per month. What is data entry jobs, data entry skill and job requirements, finding ligaments, data entry jobs, company that hire for data entry jobs, finding ligaments, data entry jobs, company that for data entry jobs, job typings, beginner guide, online typing jobs, type of work at home typing jobs, data entry jobs, transcription jobs, how to get started, place to find a work at home typing jobs, data entry jobs. What is data entry jobs, data entry skill and job requirements, finding agreements, data entry jobs, company that hire for data entry jobs, typing of data entry jobs, industry that hire data entry jobs, typing jobs, earn using mobile phones, data entry jobs, earn 7,000 to 800 per month. Dhani app referral code this 2021. Earn using mobile phone, earn 5,000 daily only, no investment. Earn 7,000 to 800 per month. Data entry, how much can you earn from work at home typing jobs, place to find work at home typing jobs, data entry jobs, typing of work at home typing jobs. You have to more subscribe and follow with that.